Sagutan natin tong problem. Evaluate the integral of x plus e raised to x quantity squared dx. So, pwede muna natin i-expand yung square nitong binomial. So, applying the special product for square of the binomial. So, square the first term which is x. So, magiging x squared plus the product of the first and the second term. So, that's x times e raised to x. Pero may times 2 pa. So, magiging 2x e raised to x plus the square nitong e raised to x quantity square, that's e raised to 2x. And then, since meron tayong 3 terms sa integral, pwede nyong i-distribute yung integral symbol together with the dx para ma-integrate natin term by term. So, magiging integral ng x squared dx plus integral ng 2x e raised to x dx plus integral ng e raised to 2x dx. So, itong integral ng x squared dx, so applying power rule, integral niyan is x raised to 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 or simply x raised to 3 over 3. Ito namang e raised to 2x, so applying the shortcut formula for the integral ng e raised to ax dx, it's equal to 1 over a e raised to ax plus c. Kung saan yung a natin dito is 2. So therefore, integral ng e raised to 2x dx is 1 over a, which is 2. So 1 half. Then copy the same function e raised to ax, which is e raised to 2x. Okay, para naman sa middle integral natin, pwede natin i-apply yung integration by parts or IBP. So that's integral ng u dv is equal to uv minus integral ng v du. Okay? So pipili tayo ng ile-let u tsaka ile-let dv dito sa given integral natin. So by using lie 8, okay, L stands for logarithmic, I stands for inverse trigo, A stands for algebraic, T stands for trigonometric, and E stands for exponential. So sa given natin, meron tayong 2x which is algebraic, and then meron tayong e raised to x which is exponential. So using the acronym LI8, since nauuna yung a sa e, mas prioritize nating i-let u yung a which is 2x. So ang i-let u natin is 2x. Then automatic let dv be equal doon sa natira which is yung e raised to x dx. Okay? So gagawin natin sa u, i-derivative, derivative ng u, du, derivative ng 2x, that's 2 dx. Then sa dv naman, i-integrate natin both sides. So integral ng dvv and integral ng e raised to x dx, that's e raised to x. So therefore, applying integration by parts, integral ng 2x e raised to x dx is u times v, yung u natin is 2x, times yung v, which is e raised to x, then minus integral ng v ulit, which is e raised to x, and then yung du, which is 2 dx. Okay, so meron tayong 2x e raised to x, then labas na lang natin itong constant na 2, magiging minus 2, integral ng e raised to x dx, so that we have 2x e raised to x minus 2, integral ng e raised to x, that's e raised to x pa rin. So, pagsasamahin natin yung mga na-integrate, etong tatlo, so final answer will be, okay, x cubed over 3, then plus 2x e raised to x minus 2 e raised to x, then plus 1 half e raised to 2x plus c. So, this is the final answer. Okay, kayo naman, try to evaluate the integral of x minus e to the negative x quantity squared dx and just comment your answers.